Hi everybody, this is Paul from Pool Supplies Canada. Today we're going to take you through how to measure properly for the filter for your hot tub. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your existing filter and get a measuring tape. And the measurements you're going to want to take will be the diameter of the filter itself, which in this case is 5 inches. And then you'll take the second measurement, which will be the height of your filter, which in this case is 20 inches. In some cases, you may have a handle or threading on the bottom of your filter. It'll be important to make sure you match that threading to the replacement filter that you'll be purchasing. So when it comes to changing the filter on your tub, the first thing you're going to need to do is access the filter area. Prior to doing that though, you'll want to make sure obviously that you've shut the power off at the main breaker in the house so that you don't have any issues with removing the filter and the pump turning on. So on this particular tub, it has a pressurized filtration system. Other tubs will have just a standard skim style. So the first thing we'll do here is we're going to remove the upper ring. We'll have opened the bleeder valve, and then we'll remove the lid off the top, which will give us access inside to gain access into the filter. On skim style filtration systems, you'd normally access from inside the skimmer area and often either lift out or perhaps have to unscrew your filter. As you can see now, we've removed the lid off the top and we've now gained access to the filter. Normally at this stage you might be going to remove your filter to clean it. However, this would be an instance where this filter here has reached the end of its life. You can tell that obviously by the extreme discoloration on the pleats, and you can also see that from the broken bands on the filter. Filters in hot tubs should be removed and rinsed every 2 weeks all the time, and it should be soaked and cleaned once a month, regardless of how much usage is going on inside the spa. If you use the tub more frequently, those cleaning cycles will need to be increased. Oftentimes, when you're doing a filter change, it may also be at the time when you're going to be needing to do a tub water changeover. In this particular instance, this tub is due to have the water drained and flushed. Prior to removing the water from the spa, and especially after a long winter, it's highly advisable to use a tub flush product to break down any bacteria or any biofilm that may have built up in the lines over the long winter months. Water in a spa should be drained every 3 to 6 months, depending on the frequency of use. You would normally want to take a tub flush product, which is available on Canada.ca, add it directly into the filter canister, making sure that the filter has been removed. You will then close the tub up, turn the breaker on, and run the water on high speed on either both pumps or a single pump system for a minimum of an hour to 2 hours, depending on how dirty the water is and how infrequently you've drained the spa. Now, assuming that you've gone ahead and done your water change, it's going to be time to reinsert your new filter into the tub. So what you want to do is carefully, again, access your filter area, make sure nothing's blocking it, no debris inside of there that might affect the performance of the filter. And then we're going to take it and we're going to drop it right back down inside. We'll place the ring back on top again, and we'll take our lid and insert that back down, and then reinstall the lock ring. Once we've done that, we can go back inside, turn the breaker back on, and allow the pumps to turn on and allow the filtration cycle to continue to operate.